Hello everybody, I just wanted to tell you a little bit today about the transverse abdominis. So the transverse abdominis, often referred to as the TA, is one of our deep core muscles, and it runs this way horizontally along our core from about our diaphragm all the way down to our pelvis, and it helps with supporting the spine, helps with breathing, and it also helps with digestive activities. And it's a very important muscle for our whole core structure. And when activated, it has kind of a cinching effect on the core. So I just wanted to tell you a little bit about it and show you how to activate it. So there's two different things that are kind of the most basic ways to activate it, and I will show you those today. So the first one is a pelvic tilt. So you'll want to lay on the table with your knees bent comfortably, hand on both sides of your pelvis or your hip bones, and then you're going to try and roll your hips towards you, but press your low back, kind of trying to pull it away from you down. So your spine will end up flattening against the table, and your belly button will end up coming in towards your back. So we'll do 3 sets of 10 of those. And hold for about 2 seconds. The second one is diaphragmatic breathing, and that is using your core muscles to assist in your inhalations and exhalations. So for this one, for our inhales, our belly will be coming out, and our exhales, our belly will be pressing in. You want to try and not use your chest at all for this breathing activity. So I'll demonstrate here. I like to put one hand on my belly and one hand on my chest. As you inhale, your belly rises, and as you exhale, you're using your transverse abdominis to help press all the air out of your lungs. Your breathing does not have to be that audible, but it kind of helps doing that loud exhale to just kind of help assist in activating those to really feel what it feels like. If you have any questions, please feel free to comment below, and we're happy to help.